We spoke to 2 of the 45 people we found at the Kanyinya Center, and their identities have been withheld for privacy reasons.
Breathing is difficult for me, but I have hope that I will beat this. We may have gotten infected, but the fact is, things would have been much worse for us had we not been vaccinated, which is why I strongly urge people to get vaccinated.
I can tell you that I feel good now, and I'm waiting for them to take another test to verify that I no longer carry the coronavirus. I am confident that they will find me free of it. People should protect themselves from this virus because the threat it poses is still very great. People should avoid large gatherings so that we can beat this pandemic. 9 of the 45 people at the Kanyinya Center are receiving supplemental oxygen, one of them still in critical condition, though all have been steadily improving.
Since its reopening on the 1st of November, we have been receiving a few cases, but which was not severely sick. But afterward, during this new variant, Omicron, we started receiving many patients. Though they are not critical, they present few symptoms, and few of them are on a low flow of oxygen. So, in general, they are not critical, and those we are receiving, as they are vaccinated, most of them, they are not getting to the severe condition.
Across the country, 80 were hospitalized by the COVID-19 pandemic as Rwanda welcomed the new year. Unfortunately, one 72-year-old man succumbed to the virus before the new year started, raising its death toll in Rwanda to 1,350 lives lost since March 2020, when it was first detected within the country's borders. Regardless, the figures reflect that the country's aggressive vaccination campaign has helped to turn the tide when it comes to COVID-19 related fatalities.
During the year 2021 and the year 2022, at around this time there is a very significant difference. First, you will notice that we are having a bit higher positivity rate, and if you look at the number of deaths, it's significantly lower compared to last year. For example, if you draw back in the last 7 days this year, we have 5 cases who have died of COVID, but at the same time last year we had 23 cases who had died with COVID-19. So we record fewer cases who die from COVID-19, and this is very much linked to the fact that we have vaccines that have been delivered. People continue to be vaccinated, and the severity and the death rate also will decrease because of that.
As of Friday, more than 5.5 million Rwandans had been fully vaccinated against COVID-19, with more than 7.7 million having received their first jab. Another 195,143 people had been given their booster shot.